Well, today I am testing this homemade stovejack. I've got the wood stove all loaded up and ready to go. I have a fire extinguisher sitting right there. I'm going to move it. And I'm going to sit in this chair and drink coffee while it is running, while it is burning, and hopefully I don't burn everything down. So, here we go. Starting out, it is 52 degrees outside and 57 degrees inside. So we're going to let this run for a little bit and see how warm it gets. Well, this has been going for about 15 minutes now. Nothing has caught on fire. We're currently sitting at 66 degrees inside, so it's gone up, 9 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Let's see, what are we at? Oops. Stove is at 400 degrees. It's actually, there's more flame in the back, so it's close to about 600 degrees in the back almost. Let's see. Yeah, that silicone is rated for 500 degrees, and that section of pipe's only 250 right now, so I think this will be fine. I don't even have much of a fire going yet, but I think this should do just fine. Well, it has been about half an hour. Currently sitting at 71 degrees in here. I feel pretty safe. I'm going to do another temperature check real quick. I mean, it's pretty much burned out at this point, but yeah, the stove itself is still pretty low. And yeah, the fire's not even going right now. It's at 150 degrees. But I feel pretty good. A little smoky because I just had the door open, but I'm going to let this burn out. Maybe I should open the door, get some more oxygen to it, let it burn out faster. I can open the damper. Ooh, that's toasty. Maybe I'm not opening the damper. I'm going to let this burn out and cool down and disassemble it and take it camping tomorrow. I feel pretty good about it now. I was pretty nervous. I was procrastinating. Starting the fire today, so. Alright. I'll sit here and play on my phone until it burns out and then take it camping tomorrow. What do you think? What do you think, Jazzy? Alright, you done? You bored? You done? You wanna go? Alright, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Good girl.